Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about somatic cloning. Now before we begin, what is cloning? To say it in a simple way, cloning is a type of asexual reproduction that only involves one parent. The offspring are genetically the same as their parents, and they will have the exact same DNA sequence. We all know that there are different types of cloning, but what exactly is somatic cloning? First, let's see what are somatic cells. Somatic cells are the cells that form the body of our organism. Even though they have different functions, they all contain the same gene within one organism, and that's the result of the selective expression of cell genes. Somatic cells can be any cells except gametes and germ cells, which are essential in sexual reproduction. Somatic cloning is a very complex cloning process that requires the technology of somatic cell nuclear transfer, and many means to transfer the nuclear and the genetic material that it contains from one somatic cell to another, to make an exact same copy. In order to complete the somatic cloning process successfully, a nucleus from a somatic body cell and a nucleus from a removed egg cell are needed. Now let's take a closer look about the process of somatic cloning. The large white paper, which represented the somatic body cell, and the small blue paper represented the nucleus of the somatic body cell, and the large green paper represented the egg cell. The small pink paper represented the nucleus of the egg cell. First, we remove the nucleus from the egg cell and let the nucleus of the somatic body cell fuse with the nucleated egg cell. For instance, for dulling the ship, we need a duct ship to provide donor cells, which was removed from the mammary glands. We can call this ship ship 1, while an unfertilized nucleus removed egg cell was collected from another ship, which is known as the egg cell donor. Then after electronic shock, the two cells will fuse and become the fused cell. You can say that it is an egg cell with a somatic cell nucleus. Now it's fertilized and it will keep dividing until it became an embryo. After that, we implant it into the uterus of the surrogate mothership, so Dolly was born. One important thing to note is that Dolly looks like the same as ship 1. That's because it provides the nucleus of the cell, which contains the genetic material. So the essential of somatic cloned embryo is actually a creation of an identical twin of the original organism. Somatic cloning can be used to replicate varieties of animals on a large scale, such as dairy cattle, and produce transgenic animals. It can also be used to produce human embryonic stem cells for replacement therapy, and reproduce endangered animal species to preserve and disseminate animal species. Nowadays, there's a controversial argument about somatic cloning technology. From the first clone ship, people started to think about cloning human. However, every coin has two sides. Replicating human is a huge problem for human morality and ethics. Furthermore, at present, faultiness still exists in somatic cloning field. Cloning human blindly is not safe or responsible.